to Cars Jade channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2025 Volkswagen Golf R. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf R takes the iconic hot hatch formula to new heights, blending performance, style, and technology in a package that is as thrilling as it is practical. Long celebrated as the flagship of the Golf lineup, the Golf R receives exciting updates for 2025, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. The Golf R builds upon the solid foundation of the Volkswagen Golf GTI, ramping up performance with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and a sophisticated all-wheel drive system. With a torque-vectoring rear differential, adaptive suspension, and an optional drift mode, the Golf R delivers an exhilarating driving experience that sets it apart from the average hatchback. For 2025, the Golf R gets even better with a power boost and subtle design refinements. With 328 horsepower now under the hood, this turbocharged beast is ready to dominate both the streets and the track. The 2025 Golf R marks the golden anniversary of the Golf lineup with several updates. Illuminated VW logo. A striking illuminated VW badge now graces the front grille. Styling enhancements, redesigned head and tail lamps, a unique front bumper, and larger front intakes set the Golf R apart from its GTI sibling. Exclusive wheels and details. New 19-inch wheels with blue brake calipers, a unique rear spoiler, and larger exhaust tips add to the sporty aesthetic. Upgraded infotainment. A 12.9-inch touchscreen with updated software and graphics, including an R-specific design, ensures a cutting-edge in-car experience. The 2025 Golf R's cabin is a masterclass in combining luxury with performance-oriented design. Sporty seats. Premium sport seats feature an eye-catching black and blue color pattern, highlighted with the iconic R logo. Black Nappa leather with carbon look elements is also available. Enhanced steering wheel. The leather-wrapped sport steering wheel boasts blue stitching, a blue center mark, and an easy-access R button for instant drive mode selection. Exclusive finishes. Unique R-branded touches include door trims, floor mats, and stainless steel pedal caps, all complementing a black headliner. While the Golf's 5-passenger seating and cargo space remain unchanged, the cabin updates ensure it remains both functional and stylish. Now rated at 328 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, the 2025 Golf R sees a boost of 13 horsepower and 15 pound-feet. The 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is now the sole gearbox option. The standard 4-motion all-wheel drive system features a rear differential that can actively distribute torque between the left and right rear wheels for improved handling. The price of the 2025 Volkswagen Golf R is expected to start around $48,000 and go up to $49,000 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.